Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're on the hunt for a versatile basket, I've got the perfect one for you. It's made by Artfeel and it has an elegant, natural, and beautiful, unique look. But that's not all. It also can be used as a laundry basket, toy basket, or even as a throw blanket basket. It's super spacious and made from high quality cotton rope. I love its rectangular shape and the handles make it easy to move around. Plus, it's super lightweight, so you can carry it everywhere you need to. I highly recommend it. It'll help you keep your house neat and organized, and you'll be able to store everything in this beautiful basket. This is the brown one with a 60-liter measurement, but it comes in a variety of sizes and colors, so you can pick the one that best suits your needs. So stop wasting time and get this one. It's functional, made well, and looks great. And that's my point of view.